Let us learn how to make this beautiful presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's begin the topic. This is a new Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Let me go to Home, go to New Slide, insert a blank slide. Let me zoom out, go to Insert, go to Shapes, pick out text box and drag it over here like this. And right here S. And change the font from here. Change it to Arial Black and make it bigger, 250. Now select the S and go to Shape Format, go to Text Fill, make it No Fill. Text Outline, make it Black Outline. Now select the text box, hold the Ctrl key and make a copy and place it here like this and change the font size to 180 and right here U. And place it like this and select this one and holding the Ctrl key make a copy like this and right here N and place it like this. Select this one holding the Ctrl key and make a copy and place it like this and right here S and place it exactly like this. Then again select this one, hold the Ctrl key and make a copy and place it like this and right here E and place it like this. Then again select this one, hold the Ctrl key and make a copy and right here T and place it like this. Then select all of these shapes and place it like this. Now select all of this text box. Go to Shape Format, go to Merge Shape, click on Union. This is perfect. Now let me go to Insert, go to Shapes, pick our rectangle shape and drag it over here like this. Go to Shape Outline, make it No Outline. Click on right button and send it to back. And select the background shape and hold the Ctrl key and select this one. Go to Shape Format, go to Merge Shape, click on Combine. Now I have to add a picture. You can add a sunset picture from Insert, go to Picture, go to Online Picture. You can search here sunset and you can easily add a picture from here. If I want to add this one, click on here, click on Insert. As soon as I click on Insert, a picture will be inserted. Let me click on this, go to Crop. Aspect ratio, make it 16:9 and click on outside of the slide and place it like this and make it bigger and click on right button and send it to back. Or you can add any picture from your download or any other location. Let me press Ctrl Z, click on it and delete this. Go to Insert, go to Picture, go to this device. I have downloaded a picture. Let me insert this one. Go to Crop, Aspect Ratio 16:9 and place it like this. Click on right button and send it to back. Let me select this shape. Go to Shape Format, click on Format Shape, go to Fill, click on Gradient Fill. Select a gradient color from here. Select on Radial and you can change the gradient stops color from here very easily. Let me click on this. Let me select this color, select this one and let me select this color. Let me select this one and let me select this color and let me select this one and select this color. Now I have to adjust the gradient from here and you can change the transparency from here. Let me select this one and change the transparency and you will see the changes here and you can change the brightness from here very easily. Let me select this one, change the transparency and you will see the changes here and brightness should be like this. And you can change the type from linear or radial or rectangular as your wish. Let me select on the radial. After changing some gradient stops and gradient color, you will find an amazing presentation. So let me go to Insert, go to Shapes, pick a text box and drag it over here like this and right here Amazing PowerPoint presentation Let me select this one, place it center, make it bold. Let me select a font Arial narrow and make it bigger. Go to text spacing, go to more spacing and write here 10. Then you will see it is looking perfect. Let me watch the slideshow. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.